Hello, hi, welcome to my vlog. So before I start, let me introduce myself. So my name is NAVENKUMAR SELVAM, matrix number CN200109, and I'm doing this vlog for my subject named English Development and Engagement. So basically the title for my vlog is a reflective video, which I am going to describe my experience of the project we have done, which I'm going to describe and explain my experience from what I get from doing that project. So the benefit of the project and the good things I learned from the project. So there's a few main points I can elaborate on the experience on the topic we chose, or the experience by the teamwork. So I'm going to give two main points for my experience in the course, in the topic. So first main I've learned, so our topic of our project was interviewing UTHM students about their knowledge on the general election. Yep. So that is our topic. So when we interview students about that, so most of the common answer we get was most of them as first voter. So most of them don't know who to vote, don't know what to do during the election time, and they don't have no idea about who to choose, on what ground to see from a leader to vote for them. So most of the students from the interview don't have that enough knowledge. Yep. So that is the first thing. The second thing is I learned that most of the students has no interest in attending the general election. Yep. So they are more likely to focus on their work and they are not going to involve themselves in the election sector. So it's because the students is now mainly focusing on their studies only, so they have zero interest in the election. Although there's another half of students that they are very eagerly want to go to the general election, and there are some of the students are joining in the participation in the campaign of the general election. So for example, for myself, I did enjoy a few campaign process which I helped the people to make sure of certain stuff. So yeah. So I'm now going to explain slightly about the process of making the project happen. So basically what we did, after selecting the date, we gathered in our campus in a room called 812 that we have to book earlier to use the room. So we did book the room on time, and we did this from 8 to 10. We did for 8 to 10 the interview session. We called the students, we gave them the question, and we recorded it. So the whole process was extremely fun, and it was fun, and we was able to interact among each other. So the whole process was going smoothly and without any interruption. The fun part of this process is the interview session was very exciting, because certain of my members can't remember the script, so they did mistakes, so we have to keep going on, and it was quite tiring because the number of takes for each person we took was quite a lot to make the video, the project go very smoothly. So from this project, what I have been assigned the role is I'm the director. So my job was to take care of everything, the script, the recording, the location, everything. So from that I've learned that as a leader we have to make sure everything goes in the right plan, and all the teamwork that has assigned to their duty have to be on time, has to be perfect, to ensure that whole smooth. For example, if any one of the student that's for example the video editing, if in video editing the specific person doesn't turn up, so if they doesn't turn up, so it's going to be a huge problem. So I've made sure in this project I have handled in a very good way. So the main thing I learned is that basically teamwork about the topic we chose, which is about the general election among students which are about 23 and 24 years old. And the second thing is as a group to execute the project. So mainly these two reasons. This is the two main thing I've learned from this project. So I will be sure that in the next time I'm handling a project, it will be efficient and it will be more smoother than the current project we did. So that's all for my work. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Bye. Again, my name is NAVENKUMAR SELVAM. Yeah, thank you.